In this section, we are writing an equation for the given graphs. So the first thing I'm going to do is to use my notes and identify my parent function. So I know that this is y equals x to the third, or it's our cubic. Then we have y equals the absolute value of x. And I know that this one is our quadratic, y equals x squared. Okay, so to figure out what's going on, I'm going to do my chart to figure out where we're at. So just my normal x and y. So 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27. I think that'll give me enough points. All right, so I know my equation looks like this to start with, and then I have to do some things with it. So it is still on the y-axis. It hasn't moved left or right. So I know that it is y equals x to the third. I don't have anything involved with moving on my x-axis, but I'm down 2. So I know that I'm down here. Now let's figure out where our points are. So normally I could go over 1, up 1. Well, so I have a shrink or a stretch going on. And then over 2, up 8. So over 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so somehow I got to 4. So it looks like I've got a shrink factor going on. So it would be, to get me from 8 to 4, I have 1/2 going on. So that goes right here. That's my C value. So I have 1/2. So I'm going to rewrite it so you can see what it looks like. And this is our equation for this one. All right, let's take a look at the second one. So my normal is x and y. 1 is 1, 2 is 2. -1 is still 1. -2 is still 2 because absolute value is a distance. All right, so let's look. Did we shift? No, we didn't go left or right. We didn't go up and down. So y equals x, excuse me about that, x. Let me grab something else to write with. And I know that I'm in the absolute value, so now we need to figure out if there's anything going on. So normally it would be over 1, up 1. Well, there's no point there. And then over 2 and up 2. 1, 2. Well, now I'm going from 2 to 4. There's a point right here. So when I went over 2, something happened, and now I'm at 4. Well, how do I get there? I multiply by 2. So my stretch factor is 2. So y equals 2 to the absolute value of x. Okay, let's take a look at our quadratic. All right, so I know my pieces in my quadratic on my t-chart look like this. My parent function, if I put 1 in, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. All right, so we moved over, normally we start at 0, 0, so we moved over 1, 2, and up 1. So over 2 and up 1. So let's look at our equation. So x, I have a movement here, and we know that we write this opposite. So normally it would be a positive movement, but because it's in the parentheses, it'd be opposite. So over 2, that's what that stands for, and up 1. Plus 1. All right, now let's see if we have a shrink or stretch going on. If we go over 1, normally we would go up 1. Nope, that's not what we have. So we're up 1, 2, 3. We went over and up 3. So we have a stretch factor of 3. So that goes in front of my parentheses like this. So this is how you write it. give it a try.